start with FOIL. So 1 times 3 is 3. Outers 1 times root x is root x. Inners root x times 3 is 3 root x. And last, root x times root x is a whole x. So I've got 3 plus x as our parts with no surds. I know root x plus 3 more root x makes 4 root x. We're going to compare this to what we have up here. I've got 4 root x and 4 root 5, so x must be 5. And once I know x is 5, 3 add 5 is 8, so y must be 8. I can check on my calculator by doing 1 plus root 5 brackets 3 plus root 5, 8 plus 4 root 5. We need to factorise the top, which is x plus 4, x minus 4, difference of 2 squares. Factorise the bottom, which is x minus 4, x minus 2. X minus 4 brackets cancel, leave me with x plus 4 on the top and x minus 2 on the bottom. Right, find the area of this triangle. I know this is 7 centimetres, and because it's a regular pentagon, I know this internal angle will be the 360 divided by 5, which is 72 degrees. So I could use cosine rule to work out this length. So cosine rule tells me that AB squared equals 7 squared plus 7 squared minus 2, so 7 times the cosine of 72. So 7 squared plus 7 squared minus 2 times 7 times the cosine of 72. Square root the answer. 8 point, oh sorry, that's what AB is, 8.228993532. Let's just check that other number. It was 67.7163345. We know this is 7 and this is 72, so we can work out A to T, because tan 72 is the opposite, AT, over the adjacent, which is 7. So AT will be 7 tan 72. 7 tan 72 is 21.5437846. So we now know this length and this length. We know this angle. This is 72. So these two angles add up to 108, which means they're 54 each. This is a right angle, so this angle must be 36. So we can do half AB sine C. So it's a half the length of AB, which we worked out, times the length of AT, which we worked out, times the sine of 36. .1023621, which we can round to 52.1. f of g, so we're going to put g into f. Gives me g plus 3, and g is 1 over x minus 2 plus 3. I need it as a single fraction, so if I multiply the 3 by x minus 2 over x minus 2, I then get 1 plus 3x minus 6 all over x minus 2, which is 3x minus 5 over x minus 2. Find the inverse function where we swap x for a y and set it equal to x, and then make y the subject. So multiply up by the bottom of the fraction, expand the bracket, add 2x, and divide by x. So we get 1 plus 2x all over x.